Are you trying to decide the best way to get divorced in Florida? I'm Adam B. Cordover, managing attorney at Family Diplomacy, a collaborative law firm, and a collaborative divorce lawyer here in Tampa Bay. In a Florida divorce, you usually have at least three main process options: litigation, mediation, and collaborative divorce. Litigation is the traditional adversarial court process. Each side hires a lawyer to fight and make arguments in court, and a judge makes decisions. Except it doesn't happen that quickly. Between depositions, requests for production of documents, motion practice, pretrial conferences, and trial, it can easily take years to resolve. And all of this done in a public courtroom setting where, quite frankly, anyone can observe. I'll be honest, I am biased against litigation. Early in my career, I was a traditional divorce litigator. I saw families spend years battling in court. It often felt wasteful and did not align with my values. I found too often that court-based divorce pit parent versus parent, spouse versus spouse. But that's not what most people want. The vast majority of clients are not looking to make an enemy of their spouse. Rather, I've found that they just want to get on with their lives and make sure that their kids, if they have any, and themselves are okay at the end of the day. In my view, litigation should be a last resort. It may be appropriate in cases with ongoing domestic violence or serious mental health concerns that affect safety, but it is not appropriate for most families, and yet many divorce lawyers treat litigation as a first resort. Mediation is another option. A neutral mediator helps both spouses try to reach agreement in a private setting. The mediator is a neutral and cannot provide legal advice. This can work well, especially for shorter marriages with simple finances. But mediation can sometimes impasse too quickly when tensions rise, which they almost always do when discussing emotional issues related to divorce. When that happens, families may drift back into litigation. Collaborative divorce is a different approach altogether. Each spouse has their own separate attorney for independent legal advice and support. The entire team commits to resolving everything privately and outside of court. And here's what makes it unique. Collaborative lawyers, once the process starts, are prohibited from fighting in court. By choosing the collaborative process, you and your spouse are wisely preventing your lawyers from escalating conflict. Further, you're oftentimes working together with a neutral facilitator and a neutral financial professional to efficiently craft a parenting plan tailored to your children's unique needs and also work through discussions related to financial support. It keeps the focus on solutions, not courtroom battles. If one of you decides that you do want to fight in court, the collaborative team must withdraw from your case. This creates strong incentives for everyone to stay on track rather than start over. Fortunately, a recent analysis of Florida collaborative cases showed about 85% ended in full resolution. This is in line with international studies, which showed an 86% success rate. While no outcome is guaranteed, these are strong results. In my work with families across Florida, I see that choosing the right process can shape your entire future. We work with clients in every county in Florida, with offices available by appointment in Tampa, St. Petersburg, and Sarasota. And we invite you to schedule a virtual planning meeting by calling us at 813-443-0615 or visiting our website at familydiplomacy.com. When discretion matters, count on us.